Hi class, welcome to our 1.2 lesson on absolute value in the number line. You should already have your guided notes. We're going to start with part 1 now. So to start off, we're going to ask the question, what is absolute value? Absolute value is any number's distance from 0 on the number line. Okay? So however far a number is from 0 on the number line, that's its absolute value. The symbol that we actually use for absolute value are two straight lines, two bars, and then the number would actually go in between those two bars, like this. Okay? So, let's do a little practice. Alright? The first question asks us, what is the absolute value of -5? Alright? So the first thing I'm going to do is find -5. Okay? Once I know where -5 is, then I'm going to trace my steps to see how many hops it takes to get to 0. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the absolute value of -5 is 5. All right? The absolute value of 2, well, let's do something similar. Let's find 2 on the number line, and let's see how many hops or what its distance is away from 0. 1, 2. So the absolute value of 2 is 2. Let's skip over here to D really quick. What's the absolute value of -4? All right. Once again, I'm going to use another marker. I'm going to find -4. It's here. How far is -4 away from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the absolute value of -4 is 4. Now, you may have problems that look like C. All right? We see this negative symbol outside of the absolute value line. Okay? The first thing you need to do is understand that first we're going to focus only on what's inside the boundaries of this absolute value line. And that's the number +9. So the question is, how far is 9 from 0? Let's find that. And then let's hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 units away from 0. But because this negative symbol is on the outside, we still have to carry that over. So our answer is going to actually be -9. Okay? Why is that? Once again, we took the absolute value of 9, which we know is 9. But because this negative symbol is out here, we can't just throw that away. We have to attach it to the final answer. Okay? What I want you to do is work these two problems. Pause the video here, and then come back for the explanation of the answers. Let's see if you can get these right. Alright, if you're back, that's because you've already done E and F, and you're waiting to see what the answers are. So the absolute value of 7, if I find 7 on the number line, I hop and see how many units away that is from 0, my answer is going to be 7. Okay, so we have negative absolute value of 1. We know that the absolute value of 1 is 1, but we have this negative symbol here. So our final answer is going to be -1. Okay? If you got those correct and you're good to go, what I want you to do now is go ahead and start task 4 on your task sheet, which is finding the absolute value of rational numbers in IXL. Please make sure that you read carefully to see that you only need to complete 10 problems, and you need to show your work for all 10 on a separate sheet of paper. When you finish that, turn it in and then return back to this video for part 2 of the notes.